What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Tactical Advantage. Well, today it's a nice lazy Sunday morning, and I thought I'd share with you something I'm pretty excited about, something new to the channel, something we've been looking for a while. But this is basically just going to be an unboxing video and maybe a little short vid about specs about what we're looking at. But really, basically what we have is the new Canik TP9SFX. The gun out there that's about achieved unicorn status on the basic market right now because demand is so high for it, but we were able to find one and get it brought over for the channel. So let's get started taking a look at this gun. Fairly impressed with it so far. Haven't shot it or anything, but just picked it up yesterday. But let's take a peek. So basically what you get with the TP9SFX from the factory is you get the gun, a holster, 4 mounting plates for a red dot optic on the rear of the slide. You get some interesting other little parts here. It comes with different extensions for your mag release. 2 magazines that look like standard magazines, 18-round magazines with a +2 base plate. Paddle, brush, normal stuff. So first we'll take a closer look at the gun. Tungsten gray Cerakote slide, polymer frame, Warren tactical sights, adjustable for windage. It's been slide lightened. As we said before, 20+1 capacity, 5.2 inch barrel. I believe it's 8.27 or so overall, 6.2 inches high, width is 1.37 inches. And the gun weighs about 1.83 pounds unloaded. That tungsten Cerakote is actually really good looking. Overall look of the gun coming out of the box is nice. It got fondled by every gun counter guy in Cabela's where we picked it up. So it's definitely popular and gets some attention. So we have dovetailed sights, fiber optic insert in the front sight, front and rear serrations. It has a striker status indicator on the back. You can see that. So one thing, we'll just take a peek real here. Gun is here. They say it's a 3.4 to 4 pound pull. Trigger is not too bad. There's a little bit of creep there. You still get that kind of Glock trigger feeling or striker fire trigger feeling, but pretty short, not a bad feeling. Reset is very short. So yeah, good looking gun. From a control standpoint, you have a pretty generous slide stop. The magazine catch on there right now, I believe, is the medium. It comes with different inserts you can put on there to either extend it or reduce it. Has 2 back straps in the package. This one looks to be the smaller of the 2. And again, the exciting part, it comes with the plates and the cutout and the slide to mount an optic, which we're going to do here shortly. But overall, good looking gun. Like I said, this isn't going to be an in-depth kind of video. This is just kind of an overview of what you get in the box. I'll get some close-up shots for you. It looks to be like it's a very well-made gun. We'll see if it runs, but for the price with what you get, it's about ridiculous. But anyway, we'll get some nice close sweeping shots so you guys get a good idea of what the gun looks like. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.